chemical engineers develop products that meet the wants and needs of the general public. Through a combination of science and technology, it is a chemical engineer's job to make a product that people will want to buy over and over again. Many things can affect how desirable a product is, including the shape, color, size, and functionality. Cleaning supplies should not only sterilize, but also smell pleasant. Potato chips should have a perfect blend of taste and texture. These factors are all things that chemical engineers need to consider when developing new products. Today, we will be replicating what a chemical engineer does on a day-to-day basis by attempting to produce the best batch of boba balls. There are many factors that affect the enjoyability of the product, including, but not limited to, the flavor, color, texture, and size. In order to end with the best possible product, we will be utilizing the engineering design process, a cycle engineers use to constantly innovate and improve their designs. Our main products we will be using today are sodium alginate, a byproduct of seaweed, and calcium lactate, a white crystalline salt. When we mix these together, we create a gummy-like substance called a hydrogel. Groups can consist of up to 3 students, and you can review this video and written instructions on the assignment details. First, label a cup calcium lactate and pour 1/3 cup of water in it. Measure out a half tablespoon of calcium lactate and add it to the cup. Carefully stir until all the calcium lactate has dissolved. Just a heads up, this can take a long time. If you have multiple people in your group, assign one person to this step and move on to the next one. Second, label a different cup sodium alginate. Pour a 1/4 cup of water in it and a 1/4 teaspoon of sodium alginate. Similar to the calcium lactate, this can take a while to completely dissolve. Be patient. The better mixed these products are, the better your outcome will be. Take 3 more cups and label them trial 1, 2, and 3 respectively. Then divide your sodium alginate evenly between the 3 of them. These are your 3 different batches of bobas. For your trial, add your chosen flavoring. Try not to put in too much. Even a teaspoon can be overwhelmingly sweet, given the small amount of volume you are flavoring. You may also add food coloring, but keep in mind if we mix too many colors, your bobas may look pretty gross. Using a pipette, take the sodium alginate from your trials and place the droplets in your calcium lactate. Experiment with different techniques, such as how far away your pipette is from the liquid and how large we make the bobas. Some students have also had success using a spoon instead of a pipette. How long your bobas are in the calcium lactate can also affect the texture. Use the engineering design process to experiment and create the best possible bobas. Taste testing is not mandatory. If you don't want to taste it, odds are someone else will be willing to be your taste tester unless your bobas look really gross. Be sure to use a new spoon to taste to keep things sanitary. Also, be sure to record your results in your chart. The more detailed, the better. After your 3 trials, turn in the filled worksheet on the Canvas assignment. To clean up, sodium alginate, leftover bobas, cups, and spoons go in the trash. Calcium lactate gets poured down the sink. Cleaning up is mandatory and will affect your grade for this assignment. Good luck, chemical engineers!